Hello, here is my puppy. Her name is You Make Me Feel Brand New. We're going to sing for you, okay? My love, I'll never find the words, my love, to tell you how I feel, my love. Mere words could not explain. Precious love, you held my life within your hands, created everything I am, taught me how to live again. Now my puppy will sing. Only you, here when I needed a friend, to live in this through thick and thin. This song is for you, filled with gratitude and love. God bless you. You make me feel brand new. Oh, God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song 'cause you make me feel brand new. Now it's my turn. My love, whenever I was insecure, you built me up and made me sure. You gave my pride back to me. Precious friend, with you I always have a friend. You're someone who I can depend, to walk a path that sometimes bends. Okay. Without you, life has no meaning, alright. Like don't sing a song out of time. How can I repay for having faith in me? God bless you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song 'cause you. Almost done, don't worry. Almost done. You make me feel brand new. Oh, God bless me. Thank you. Thank you.